My name is Kevin Beaudry, and I'm the plant manager at BramCal Production. BramCal produces the wrappers that contain the shingle bundles and the pallet hooders that contain the pallets and ship those to all of IKO's clients in North America. Sturdy packaging is important. The roofers handle it quite a bit. They throw it over their shoulders, they carry it up to the top of the roofs, and you need to have those shingles contained when it's making those transits. At BramCal, we have a multi-stage process. The first stage is bringing the raw material pellets in and loading it into our silos. We blend it together with high-performance additives and feed it into our blown film extruder. The extruder melts it and blows that material up into a bubble, approximately 30 meters into the air, before it's brought back down again and wound onto our winders. We cool that film, cut it, trim it, and wind it onto rolls that we then use in our next part of the process. The next stage of the process is we take the rolls from the extruder, put it into our flexographic printing machine, print all the required information on it, palletize it, and ship it to our customer. At BramCal, we're very pleased with the fact that we produce virtually zero waste in our manufacturing process. Any of the trim that we pull off of our extruder is re-pelletized, blended with additives, and put back into the final product. I'm always very proud when I drive past a job site and I know that my team and I have had a part in making sure that a family is safe and secure using high-quality IKO roofing systems.